Next question. Statement. Weights W1 and W2 are fastened to light inextensible string ABC at B and C. Weights W1 and W2 fastened at point B. Weight W1 fastened at point B and weight W2 fastened at point C, and A of the string ABC is fixed. If a horizontal force applied at C in equilibrium, AB, BC are inclined at an angle theta and phi to the vertical, then P equals to. We can understand by this figure. Solution. Vertical, and that is perpendicular AO, that is string ABC. ABC is a string. ABC is a string. Weight W1, weight W1 acting at point B, and weight W2 the other end of the strings. Weight W2 acting or fastened at the end C of the string. The end A is fixed, and P is horizontal force. Horizontal force. Suppose the force length of the string ABC is A plus B. Let us suppose AB equals to A and BC equals to B. Let ABC be a string, AB equals to A, BC equals to B. W1 W2 weight fastened at B and C. Suppose that is M and there is no tension or thrust in the string, but we have only weights. We count the vertical distance of weights W1 from the point of suspension or fixed point A, as well as vertical distance of weight W2 from point B, from point A. AM equals to, that is the angle theta, or that is phi. Vertical angle AB and AC, AB and BC are inclined at an angle theta and phi to the vertical. AM A cos theta, and OA AM plus MO, or AM plus OM equivalent to BN. AM in this triangle, AM equals to A cos theta, and in this triangle CBN, BN equals to B cos phi. A cos theta plus B cos phi OC ON plus NC ON equivalent to MB plus NC MB A sin theta NC B sin phi applying principle of virtual work is that T into delta OC W1 delta AM W2 delta AO equals to 0. P is horizontal force, P into delta OC. Vertical distance of weight W1 is AM, vertical distance of weight W2 from A, that is AO. Putting the values of OC, AM and AO, P delta OC, that is OC, A sin theta, B sin phi, W1 delta, AM, A cos theta, W2, AO, A cos theta, B cos phi, A cos theta, B cos phi, P, A cos theta, delta theta, B cos phi, delta phi, minus A sin theta, delta theta, W2, minus A sin theta, delta theta, minus B sin phi, delta phi equals to 0. AP cos theta minus W1 AW1 sin theta minus AW2 sin theta into delta theta equals to minus BP cos phi plus BW2 sin phi delta phi. If theta change, phi not change, so that delta phi equals to 0. Put in 1. We get P equals to W1 plus W2 tan theta. If phi change, theta not change, so therefore delta theta equals to 0 and P equals to W2 tan phi. Hence proved. That is the complete solution.